Hey, today I have information of warning issued for millions of Microsoft Windows 10 users. According to Forbes, for Microsoft and Windows 10 right now, it never rains but it pours. So it should come as no surprise that despite recent update changes, the run of frustrating, limiting, chaotic and quite bizarre updates continues with new warnings every Windows 10 users need to know about. Picked up by the always excellent beeping computer and Windows latest is news that two recent Windows updates are breaking boot ups, printing the startup menu, Windows search and VMware workstation. And that's just what we know so far. Beeping computer pins the boot, printing and startup menu issues on Microsoft News KB 452 41 47 cumulative update. The printing issue appears to be a repeat of KB 452 2016 mess, while the start menu bug warns users. Your start menu isn't working. We will try to fix it the next time you sign in, and no sign in again does not help. But the boot issue is most concerning with beeping computer citing multiple sources as well as contact from an IT support workers who states my phone has been ringing all day with customers with machine that won't boot after yesterday's update. This update's totally screwed up my computer. Microsoft repairs screen at startup. None of their auto update fixes work, wrote on impacted users. The reality is that this update is a hot mess of confusion, concludes beeping computer. The description of what it fixes was worded poorly and nobody has any idea whether this is a cumulative update with security fix or primarily a security update with non-security fixes. Meanwhile, Windows latest report that KB 4517211 an optional cumulative Windows 10 update is behind problems with Windows Search and Cortana, with users making complaints on Microsoft Community Forum as well as Feedback Hub. After installing KB 4517211 and rebooting, you cannot type anything into the search field, wrote one user on feedback. You can't even get your cursor in there. As for the VMware issues, Windows latest report impacted PC are hit with the message VMware Workstation Pro can't run on. Check for an updated version of this app that runs on Windows, but no updated version exists. The good news is users have found that installing both updates will fix these problems, but this will do little to quell wider users' fears after a former Microsoft employee blew the whistle on why Windows 10 updates have become so buggy, and this is being borne out. In the last month alone, you can add these 5 new bugs into a list of Windows 10 updates which have already broken search and the start menu, caused USB and audio problems, screen discoloration, spiked CPU usage, and disconnected users from the internet. I would like to highly recommend that just install updated version of Windows 10. For installation process, I'll put a link of the solution for it in description below. Also, don't forget to turn off your auto update. If anyone needs the solution to turn off auto update, I'll put a link in description below. Stay away from these issues on Windows 10. Stay smart. Thank you for watching my video.